friends, I'm Fred Wang. We are at Basin site for X-ray production. What you're seeing here is the raw materials for the X-ray plant. Please follow me to see the process. Over here is the additive input. Not every country will need this. I will show you later where it's being added. The process begins here. This is the hydropulver. We put this paper and water together to form our block pop. After this, the pop goes underground to a mixing plant. From there, the pop further processed to be more uniform and even. The ritual of the pop is pre-watered to 1 degree. On each side, 12 sides in total. Look at the electric parts. After 7 years of operation, it's still working well. The production of this machine is 6,000 to 7,000 pieces per hour. It is running 24 hours a day, 350 days a year. Fully functioning machine. Now we move to the drying system of the plant. What our client built is a brake drying system. The overall length of this is about 70 meters. Many customers choose to use the metal dryer for big capacity like this in order to save some space. For the metal dryer, it can reduce to only 45 meters long. This is a combustion chamber with natural gas burner. It can also be heated by diesel, LPG, or even coal. The blower working with the burner. The structure inside is symmetrical. With 2 blowers on each side, it creates a circulation of hot air. The drying efficiency of this system is high. After about 20 minutes, the wet X-ray will come out dry and sturdy. At last, we arrive at the end part of the process, where the X-rays are being collected and packed. Usually 2 to 3 people will be working around this area. This is the auto tray collector. It also counts the number by the sensors and show you on the dashboard on the other side. Then we will weigh it and pack it. Usually we pack it with 70 pieces per pack or 100 pieces per pack, depending on the buyer's request. The weight of each tray here is about 100 grams. Overseas is about 80 grams. Once it's packed, the size will reduce. Then we will pack it and put it aside, waiting for the truck to transport it out. If you are interested in the business, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.